How to verify your Bitget account. First of all, log into your Bitget account, visit the official website for Bitget or open up the Bitget application on your device. Make sure to log into your account by entering your login credentials to access your account's dashboard. Once you're logged in, if you have not yet verified your account, then you'll be able to see a little notice at the top of the screen that says to unlock all features, you must first complete identity verification. In order to start verification, before starting the process, make sure that you have a government issued document that you can upload. You will need to go through face recognition verification, and the estimated review time for your verification is 60 minutes. Tap on the verify button, and then on the next page, select your country or your region. From the drop down, now select an ID type you would like to verify your identity with. You can choose a government issued ID card, passport, or a driving license. Select one of the options that's available to you right now. Go through the information, your government issued ID, and you will need to take a picture of the document that you are trying to continue and follow through the prompts. Now you will need to upload the front size of your chosen documents. Simply go ahead and upload from your album or take a photo from your camera. Once you upload your front side of your documents and tap on continue and then click on confirm, you will now need to complete facial recognition. Take a selfie using your camera and ensure your face is within the frame. After you have scanned your face, you will now need to wait for a notification for your result. The review is expected to be completed within 1 hour. With the notification, if your verification has completed or not, you will also receive a status. Your account status may be updated to reflect that you have passed the verification process. Once it is completed, with a verified Bitget account, you may gain access to additional features and higher account limits, such as increased withdrawal limits or eligibility for certain trading promotions. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.